animal friends. So today we are off to get some recycling, to pick up recycling and some scrap metal, take it to the scrap yard and see where our day takes us. I'm not too sure, but it's a beautiful day and it's wonderful. What's that? It just passed by. Okay, I didn't get... That's one big hot water tank.
What?
That's big. So I didn't video any of our pickups, but this is what we got here. We got odds and sods, and we got a shed, and we got barbecue, and filing cabinet, dishwasher, and all that. And it's dry here today, so I can actually come out here and video. He's got to move up just a bit. There's the table. But it didn't break. It didn't break. Oh yeah, that's cute.
for sure.
The carrot.
A carrot cookie.
Hey, you got some carrots and you're getting some lovin'. I'm telling you, life is good. Hey, is life good? Yeah. Hey, you got a treat. Mwah. And you're getting some lovin'. Hey, are you getting some lovin'? You are. You're the beautiful babies. Yum. Mwah. You're a beautiful baby. Okay. That's it? No more? Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Yeah, I'm always up for loving. Yeah, I'm always up for loving. Okay, that one over there. Oh, Chase, you're so beautiful. Hey, when it dries up, I can't wait to come in there and see you, eh? Yeah, it's so muddy. Oh, yuck. Okay, we're at our last stop today. So we have a gazebo we have to pick up. But it's all taken apart for us, which is very, very, very nice. Thank you for that. Ron's just taken off his rubber boots, putting on his runners.